Yeah, yeah, I'm doing it. I was just waiting for your answer. I am not getting your answer, so now I have to do it with my own. It's very simple question, dear students. See, now you have to apply your mind. Me doing all those question is not going to serve our purpose. It's very simple one. Again, we have to go for particulars and different level of production. Okay, they have given at 75% level of production, 85 and 100. 85, 85% of level of production and 100% level of production. Okay, there are few details. Selling price I will take at the last. So from the total cost I will deduct, I can get the easily what could be the profit or loss. I will go as per the cost sheet style. Material cost, yes, I will take. In 75%, it is 75,000 unit of production. So it is 75,000 units. This is 85,000 units. This is 1 lakh unit of production. Go one by one. Let us take the raw material or direct material. What is given here? It is 40 rupees. If it is 85, 10% less. That means 36 rupees. And if it is 100%, then 15% less. So 15% of 40 rupees will be how much? This all you have applied in marginal costing.
6 rupees.
6 rupees. So 34 rupees per unit. So multiply karo. 75,000 into 40. How much you are getting? Get me your answer, please.
30 lakhs.
So this comes to 30 lakhs. Now this one 10% म्हणजे 36 into 85,000. How much you are getting?
2,55,000.
85,000 unit into 36 rupees.
No sir. 30 lakh 60,000.
30 lakh 50,000.
60,000.
This is my raw material or direct material. So what is the cost of labor? Direct labor cost, it is given 10, 10, 10. Am I right? So very simple for me to calculate. It will be 7,50,000. It will be 8,50,000. And this will be 10 lakhs. Am I right, dear student? Then next we have fixed overhead. But before that, we need to take variable overhead at full capacity. So let me take first variable overhead. Which are the variable overhead? Please keep in mind it is for full capacity. Matlab 100% पे this is the cost. Selling and administration. Selling and administration. What is the cost given here? 4,40,000. 4,40,000. Do you think for 85% it will remain same or it will reduce? Tell me. What is your perception? So I told you several times, when it comes to variable cost, per unit you calculate. So this 4,40,000 for 1 lakh unit. So per unit, how much is the cost?
Sir, it will reduce.
Yes, it will reduce, and it will be 4 rupees 40 paise. So per unit cost will be 4 rupees 40 paise per unit. Multiply करो 4 rupees 40 paise into 85,000. So do it and get me the answer. 4 rupees 40 paise into 75,000. Production overhead. Again, it is incurred as 14 lakhs. So 14 rupees per unit. Multiply and get me the answers. Be quick. Whereas if it will go for fixed overhead, it will not show. Get me your answers, please. Quickly. Again, in production, it is 14 lakh. So this 14 will remain constant for all. Selling and distribution. Five lakh will be constant for all. Get me the answer for these two, 85% and 75%. You haven't calculated till now. None of you.
3,30,000 for 75%.
For 75, 3,30,000.
And 3,74,000 for 85%.
3,74,000 for 80%.
10,50,000 for 75%.
10 lakh
50,000.
50,000 for
And
70.
11,000 for 85.
11 lakh
90,000.
Thank you, Hiral.
Welcome, sir.
So what is the total cost? I hope someone can get me the answer. Then we will add profit to it. What I will get? Sales. Sales details are given. Someone just get me the total cost. Sales details are given. They are saying for 75% it is 96 rupees. So 96 into 75,000. How much we are getting?
72 lakh.
Now for 85% it is 5% off. म्हणजे 9.6 का half. Just deduct 5% of it.
4.8.
4.8 minus करो. 96 minus 4.8.
91.2.
91.2 into 85,000.
77 lakh 52,000.
77 lakh 52,000. Last one, 10% off. So 9.6. 96 minus 9.6.
86.4.
86.4. That's very easy. 86,040. 86 lakh 40,000. Am I right? Yes or no? Have you calculated the total cost? Have you calculated the total cost? Add all. बोलो भाई.
70 lakh 30,000 for 75%.
70 lakh 30,000 for 75. हाँ? ये क्या कर रहा है? ना, गलत जवाब. अरे भाई 30 lakh plus 7 lakh 50,000 plus 3 lakh 30,000 plus 10 lakh 50,000 plus 40 lakhs plus 5 lakhs. सिंपल है यार.
70,000, 70 lakh 30,000.
इतना सिंपल चीज तुम लोग को एमकॉम में नहीं आ रहा है, मतलब मेरे लिए तो टॉर्चर है बाबा. So what is the profit? माइनस करो 72 लाख से.
One lakh 70,000.
Your fundamentals are really very weak. Huh? Very poor class. मतलब मैं पिछले 3 साल जब से एमकॉम है तब से केईएस में पढ़ा रहा हूँ. इतना पुअर बैच आज तक नहीं मिला मेरे को. Sorry to say, but it's a fact. एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन को इतना टाइम थोड़ी लगता है होगा। Get me the answer, please. Add all this.
Seven lakh 37,400.
7 lakh.
हाँ sir.
7 lakh कैसे होगा बेटा?
73
My
73
line
lakh
cost just
74,000.
60,000 है तो 7 lakh कहाँ से आंसर आएगा?
Sir,
Sorry,
73 lakh
73.
74,000.
4,000.
Too much है रे बाबा। So then the profit is
Profit is 3 lakh 78,000.
last one.
$81 lakh 40,000.
That the profit is
5 lakh.
So I think we can easily see and comment that it is the best level of activity. So with this we can see that at 100% it is best to make the production. So this question will give you a hint. If it is variable cost, how to make the adjustment, increase, decrease. If there is semi-variable cost, partly variable, partly fixed, how to do and how to go about it. If it is fixed cost, how to do and how to go about it. So why I have done this question? Because subsequent questions has a mixture of both. So it is important for us to have deliberation of this. So now I believe you can do the question number 9, which I have asked you to do. So kindly finish this question, which I am putting you as a homework. Question number 9. Question number 10. Question number 9. Question number 10. Question number 6. Question number 6, page number 31, question number 9, and question number 10. Okay. Then we can.
Only 3 questions, sir.
No, because we are meeting tomorrow.
Okay, okay.
Then we will see how much you have understood. What has been delivered today. Okay. See you tomorrow
Okay,
evening.
sir.
Bye and take care.
Thank you, sir.